My issue is air pollution, and I am inquiring into this issue because air pollution can make the world worse and people might die because of it. I want to teach people how to make air quality better. I choose stray animal as a topic because I think every stray cat and dogs have the right to live in the community, and I want to teach the student how to help them.
I choose animal extinction because I'm worried about food web and ecosystem are getting destroyed. If we don't protect animals, there will be mass extinction.
I choose air pollution because I know how important clean air is to us. I learned that human activity has reduced air quality and I want to improve it by planting trees.
I choose friendship group because when I was in grade 3, someone was being mean to me, and I want kids to have real friends to play with.
I chose to do animal welfare because I want people to know where their meat come from and what life is like on the farm.
I choose this subject because I have experienced this myself and I really care about how others feel. Many people I know are worried about what the person bullying them might do.
The hardest part of our PYPX was putting our board together in time. I overcame this by working together with my team.
I think the challenge part is we have many questions. Some questions we cannot find answers sometimes.
I found it hard when I researched data about Hagupit's typhoon. It's difficult to find detailed information, but teacher helped me.
I found it hard when I need to finish 5 photos at 10 minutes. If I don't finish, our group will don't have to recess. At that time, I had a lot of pressure. I work fast and finish.
The thing I found to be the most challenging was to find information, in particular when getting responses using survey. To overcome this obstacle, we needed to be proactive.
The hardest part was understanding big words I don't know. I worked this out by reading many times and using the Translate app.
I found it hard when we had to search the information because we didn't know if the information is real or fake. I overcame this challenge by choosing reliable website and asking teachers to conform.
I demonstrated being an inquirer by designing my own research questions to dig deeper into factory farming, also trying to find the answer even though it might be scary.
In this process, I think I am a communicator and knowledgeable because we discussed many things in our group. We listened to each other's ideas and we did a lot of research. I learned a lot about our topic.
I showed that I was an inquirer because I found out many facts about how extreme weather caused. I think I am also reflective too because I thought that I always use my art skill to help my group.
I am a thinker throughout this process because I have done many different things like writing and putting a lot of stuff on our board so then people can see how much we've learned about our topic.
Our action is to run a recess bracelet club and make books to teach students how to solve problems and make friends. We started a bracelet club because we want every student to make a friend while making a bracelet.
Our group's taking action is to recycle plastic cups and plant in them. We made a PI garden so teachers and students could relax there.
We decided to take action by promoting a program called TNR, Trap, Nurture, Release. We are trying to raise the awareness of the dangers of what stray animals go through in a day.
teaching people how to properly care for stray animals.
As a result of my inquiry, I decided to initiate my action, which is making a comic book to give people advice about the right thing to do when they are exposed to discrimination and how can people make positive action in the right situation.
I decided to act by creating a podcast talking about causes and effects of cyberbullying. Also, my group and I wanted to teach students what to do after getting cyberbullied. We wanted to let students develop ways to cope because if it happens in real life, it really can do a lot of damage.
I can finish my task on time. I can understand my task.
Out of everything that I am proud of, I am most proud of that I can teach others about extreme weather and how to be prepared.
I'm most proud of my ability to draw the logo and display making. I ask some good service questions too.
The achievements I am most proud of is that in my group, most of the pictures are done by me.
My advice of next year's student is to display their board, use good sources of information, and write down your sources every time you read them.
When things get challenged, the best thing you can do is to do more research by using Epic, internet, and books. You should check with your teacher that your sources are good.
My advice is to make your board artistic and ask your parents about their knowledge and of the topic. This will give you more information.
If I could give one piece of advice for the next year student, it will be that they should research information quickly because their time is really pressing.